Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At titignan natin ang energies ng inyong love life ngayong March 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. And of course, like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan. And kung interesado kayo sa private reading, lahat po ng information, ng link kung paano makapag-book ay nasa description at sa pinned comment. Okay, Taurus, let us see what's up with your love life ngayong March 2024. So, tingnan natin. Unahin natin yung mga in a relationship. What's up with your relationship, Taurus? Naku po. Okay, so you have the Death card. Can be an ending, transformation, may pagbabago sa relationship mo ngayon. Meron ditong pwedeng aalis sa relationship because meron siyang i-explore na ibang opportunity sa buhay niya. Can be sa career. Ito yung tipong kailangan maghiwalay kasi mag-a-abroad yung other person. Ganon klaseng energy. Or lalayo siya, meron siyang ibang i-explore na mahirap i-maintain yung relationship kung malayo kayo sa isa't isa. So with the Sun card here, I think this is about enlightenment, realization na kahit ano pa itong mag-e-end sa relationship ninyo, you still have reasons, no? Meron ka pa ring mga dahilan para maging masaya kasi alam mo na para sa ikabubuti mo yon. With the Five of Cups, no? Ito yung tipong may losses. Kahit may lungkot, of course, that's part of life na people come and go. Relationships, friends come and go. But you have to understand na we should always be moving on, moving forward. Okay? So, pwedeng you are dealing with a Scorpio or a Leo. I think you tried to work things out, no? Sinubukan nyo na ayusin or pwedeng susubukan yung ayusin. Pero you will end up sa isang settled agreement. Alam mo yung tipong mutual, yung separation. Mutual decision, yes. Na para sa inyo, alam nyo na makakabuti sa relationship or sa inyo pareho, sa isa't isa, na to go on separate ways. Para mas lalo nyong ma-improve ang inyong individuality. Meron namang love dito. Aware kayo sa nangyayari sa relationship. Let's see what else. For Taurus, Twin Flame, Optimistic, Sabotage. Okay. At some point in your life, minahal nyo naman talaga yung isa't isa. Pero parang feeling nyo kasi hindi nyo na nabibigyan ng justice yung relationship ninyo. Hindi nyo na ibibigay yung dinideserve ng bawat isa. That's why for you, the best option is to separate. But of course, you still have, you still want good things to happen para sa isa't isa. You wish each and every one of you well, no? Oo. Gusto niyo pa rin naman na pareho kayo maging successful, ganon. Hindi siya yung ending na may nag-cheat or merong it's for me it's not a painful ending for your relationship. Lang to, it's a realization na pareho nyo kailangan mag-grow and yung growth na yon is kailangan separate kayo. Kasi kung magkasama kayo parang walang growth, but if you you will have your life na individual life without each other, mas mag-grow kayo. So parang binibigyan nyo ng pagkakataon yung bawat isa na to spread your wings and explore. Oo. Ganun nyo kamahal yung isa't isa. May clarity, may truth, may katotohanan. It means that you realize what's best. Some of you pwedeng, you will be open to new connections in the future. I feel like there is still love in this relationship. Pero, ayun nga, alam nyo sa sarili ninyo na meron kayong kailangang i-accomplish pa on your own. Na hindi nyo kailangang kasama tong taong to sa journey ninyo. Kumbaga, iniisip niyo siguro na, kung kayo talaga sa huli, definitely you will find your way with each other again, no? Sa future. Pero sa ngayon, it seems na kailangan nyo munang mag-explore ng ibang options available. Para rin naman sa inyo yan. But of course, ito yung tipong wala kayong commitment na syempre you will plan to hiwalay. So, pag nagkaroon ng separation, wala na siya yung tipong hindi ka pwede magjowa. Hindi, walang ganon, no? Para sa inyo, open kayo sa isa't isa. Kung if you are willing na magkipag-date yung other person, that's fine para sa inyo. Para walang sisihan. Missing you, I miss you, I wish things were different. Syempre, hindi magiging madali yung separation. You will still miss each other. I think I'm obsessed with you. I think about you all the time. Yan. Laging may stalking sa social media. You're mysterious. I can never seem to figure you out. Sometimes I feel like you're hiding something from me. Never really know where I stand with you. Ayun na. Siguro yun yung realization ninyo na hindi pa kayo fully committed to be in a very serious relationship at this time. Kasi nga, meron pa kayong gustong gawin sa buhay ninyo na walang nakikialam. Okay? So, that's why, kesa na, umabot dun sa point na magkasakitan pa kayo. So, you realize na, okay, maybe it's time to split up, to separate, and still remain good friends. Alam mo yun? So, yeah, that's your reading. So, tingnan naman natin yung mga single dyan. Okay, let's see. Mga single na Taurus single. So, it means na you are not connecting with anyone romantically. Tingnan natin mga single. Wala kayong commitment ngayon. Okay, tingnan natin. The Hangman. Yeah, I feel like kung ikaw ay single na Taurus, may mga, hindi ka naman mawawalan ng ng admirers, communication with others. Pero you know what you want, no? Alam mo kung anong gusto mo sa relationship and you will not settle for anything less. Yung iba nga sa inyo, umiiwas talaga Yung tipong may mga makukulit na, nag-message or nag-aaya sa'yo to go out, pero iniiwasan mo, yung iba nagdadahilan na lang kayo kasi ayaw niya talaga. Maybe you're still in the process of finding yourself, no? Figuring things out. Yung iba nagkakaroon ng spiritual awakening, kaya gusto niyo muna na magkaroon ng oras at panahon lang sa sarili ninyo to realize what you really want. Nako. Merong new love tapos reconciliation. Possible na yung iba sa inyo, kahit na wala kayong relationship ngayon at meron nagpaparamdam, you are still hoping for your past to come back. Okay? Oo. Hindi pa kayo ready. Hindi pa kayo completely na naka-move on from your past. Kahit gaano pa katagal yan. Meron kayong iniiwasan. Oo. Iniiwasan nyo tong bago na person na dumarating sa inyo. Kasi pwedeng itong person from your past, sige pa rin ang communicate sa'yo. So, ngayon, medyo confused ka. Babalik ka ba sa past? O i-entertain mo tong bago? But some of you, nasa past pa rin. So, I think you just need to focus on yourself muna para ma-realize mo ano talaga yung gusto mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. Bye.